अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं तु ते गुह्यतमं प्रयक्ष्यामयनसूयवे ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितं यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्. Lord Krishna said, My dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most confidential knowledge and realization, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence. राजविद्या राजगुह्यं पवित्रमिदमुत्तमं प्रत्यक्षावगमं धर्म्यं सुसुखं कर्तुमव्ययम्. This knowledge is the king of education, the most sacred of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. अश्रद्धदाना पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तपा अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि. Those who are not faithful in this devotional service cannot attain me, O conqueror of enemies. Therefore, they return to the path of birth and death in this material world. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagadau yaktamurtina mastani sarva bhutani nachaham teshvavastitaha. By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. न च मस्तानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरं भ्रूच बन्न च भूतस्थो ममात्मा भूतभावनः. And yet everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all living entities, and although I am everywhere, I am not a part of this cosmic manifestation, for myself is the very source of creation. यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायुः सर्वत्र गोमहान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मस्तानीत्युपधारय. Understand that as the mighty wind, blowing everywhere, rests always in the sky, all created beings rest in me. सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकां कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादो वृषजाम्यहम्. O son of Kunti, at the end of the millennium, all material manifestations enter into my nature, and at the beginning of another millennium, by my potency, I create them again. प्रकृतिं सामवष्टभ्य विसृजामि पुनः पुनः भूतग्राममिमं कृष्णम् अवर्षं प्रकृतेर्वशात्. The entire cosmic order is under me. Under my will, it is automatically manifested again and again, and under my will, it is annihilated at the end. न च मां तानि कर्माणि निबध्नन्ति धनञ्जय उदासीनवदासीनम् असक्तं तेषु कर्मसु. O Dhananjaya, all this work cannot bind me. I am ever detached from all these material activities, seated as though neutral. मया दक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरं हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते. This material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving beings. Under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. अवजानन्ति मां मूढाः मानुषीं तनुमाश्रितं परं भावमजानन्तो मम भूतमहेश्वरम्. Fools deride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature as the Supreme Lord of all that be. मोघाच मोघकर्माणो मोघज्ञानाविचेतसः राक्षसीमासुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रितः. Those who are thus bewildered or attracted by demonic and atheistic views. In that deluded condition, their hopes for liberation, their fruitive activities, and their culture of knowledge are all defeated. महात्मानास्तु मां पार्था दैवीं प्रकृतिमाश्रितः भजन्त्यनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्. O son of Partha, those who are not deluded, the great souls, are under the protection of the divine nature. They are fully engaged in devotional service because they know me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible. सततं कीर्तयन्तो मां यतन्तश्च दृढव्रतः नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ता उपासते. Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion. ज्ञानयज्ञेन चाप्यन्ये यजन्तो मामुपासते एतक्वेन पृथक्वेन बहुधा विश्वतो मुखम्. Others who engage in sacrifice by the cultivation of knowledge worship the Supreme Lord as the one without a second, as diverse in many and in the universal form. Aham katuraham yajñah sadahamahamaushadam mantrohamahamavedyam ahamagniraham hutam. But it is I who am the ritual, I the sacrifice, the offering to the ancestors, the healing herb, the transcendental chant. I am the butter and the fire and the offering. पितामहस्य जगतो माता दाता पितामहः वेद्यं पवित्रम् ओंकारा ऋक्सामयजुरेव च I am the father of this universe, the mother, the support and the grandsire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and the syllable Om. I am also the Rig, the Sama and Yajur Vedas. गतिर्भर्ता प्रभु साक्षी निवास शरणं श्रुहत् प्रभव प्रलयस्थानं निधानं बीजमव्ययम् I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode, the refuge, and the most dear friend. I am the creation and the annihilation, the basis of everything, the resting place and the eternal seed. तपाम्यहमहं वर्षं निघूर्णां युस्रजामि च अमृतं चैव मृत्युश्च सदसच्चाहमर्जुन O Arjuna, I give heat, and I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality, and I am also death personified. Both spirit and matter are in me. Traividya mam somapa putapapa यज्ञैरिष्ट्वा स्वर्गतिं पार्थयन्ते ते पुण्यमासाद्य सुरेन्द्रलोकम् अश्नन्ति दिव्यान् दिवि देवभोगान् Those who study the Vedas and drink the Soma juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. Purified of sinful reactions, they take birth on the pious heavenly planet of Indra, where they enjoy godly delights. ते तं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्ना गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते When they have thus enjoyed vast heavenly sense pleasure and the results of their pious activities are exhausted, they return to this mortal planet again. Thus, those who seek enjoyment by adhering to the principles of the three Vedas achieve only repeated birth and death. अनैयाश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जना पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं महामह्यम् But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. ये पन्यदेवता भक्ता यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेऽपि मामेव कौन्तेय यजन्त्यविधिपूर्वकम् Those who are devotees of other gods and who worship them with faith actually worship only me, O son of Kunti, but they do so in a wrong way. Aham hi sarva yajnanam bhokta cha prabhurev cha natu mam abhijananti tatve vanascha vantite. I am the only enjoyer and master of all sacrifices. Therefore, those who do not recognize my true transcendental nature fall down.
यान्ति देवव्रता देवान् पितुर्न्यान्ति पितुर्वतः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्या यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्.
Those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship the ancestors go to the ancestors. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among such beings. And those who worship me will live with me.
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयाच्छति तदहं भक्त्युप्रहर्तम् अश्नामि प्रयतात्मनः.
If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I will accept it.
यत्करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरु शवमदर्पणम्.
Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerities you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me.
शुभाशुभफलैर्येवं मोक्षसे कर्मबन्धनैः सन्न्यासयोगयुक्तात्मा विमुक्तो मामुपैष्यसि.
In this way, you will be freed from bondage to work and its auspicious and inauspicious results. With your mind fixed on me, in this principle of renunciation, you will be liberated and come to me.
समोऽहं सर्वभूतेषु न मे देशोऽस्ति न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि ते तेषु चाप्यहम्.
I envy no one, nor am I partial to anyone. I am equal to all, but whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him.
अपि चेत् सुदुराचारो भजते मामनन्यभाक् साधुरेव समन्तव्यः सम्यग् व्यवसितो हि सः.
Even if one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated in his determination.
क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा शश्वश्चान्तिं निगच्छति कौन्तेय प्रतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति.
He quickly becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes.
मानि पार्थव्यपाश्रित्य येऽपि स्युः पापायोनया स्त्रियो वैश्यास्तथा शूद्रास्तेऽपि यान्ति परां गतिम्.
O son of Partha, those who take shelter in me, though they be of lower birth, women, Vaishyas, merchants, and Shudras or workers, can attain the supreme destination.
किं पुनर्ब्राह्मणा पुण्या भक्ता राजर्षयस्तथा अनित्यमसुखं लोकम् इमं प्राप्य भजस्व माम्.
How much more this is so of the righteous Brahmanas, the devotees and the saintly kings. Therefore, having come to this temporary miserable world, engage in loving service unto me.
मन्मनाभावमद्भक्तो मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैशसि युक्त्वैवम् आत्मानां मत्परायणः.
Engage your mind always in thinking of me. Become my devotee. Offer obeisances to me and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्याया योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे